I just wish you would have taken to one of the puppies so you would have liked to adopt one. I wish you would have liked one of the puppies. Huh? Oh, I think mine's gonna poop.
Yep.
On top of the other one. Good girl.
Well, what is that?
What's the other one, Julia? It's like, well, don't sit down in the poop. Now you sat down in the poop. They haven't really barked yet, have they?
The little brown and white female has.
What are they doing?
They're checking out this bush. What is that? Oh, this looks like I might want to chew on this. No, you can't chew on that. Get down.
Come check something else out. I'm going to check the bush out.
Right. Not the flower.
I love the way the back legs are spread.
And aren't they cute? Does he lay like that?
Yes.
Yeah, because, okay.
He does, with those back legs sticking out.
Yep. That's what they're supposed to do. Yep, that's what they do.
Really?
Yep.
Yeah, and he stares at the TV. But he does. He lays with his back legs straight behind him.
Yep. And the arms straight out?
Yeah.
Yep. That's what they're supposed to do. I hear a voice.
It's next door. Somebody must have just drove in there. Oh, no, this one's pooping. This one's got a good poop.
You right?
Yeah, oh, not all of it came out, though. Only half of it. The rest is still on his butt.
Oh.
Don't eat it.
Get it off, baby. There you go.
Did it come off?
Get it off. She's trying to shake it off there. She started getting it. Oh my goodness. What? You think that's going to stop her from picking you up?
Not working too well. Don't you dare put that up. It's almost over.
Good thing you didn't mow the lawn.
There we go. Oh my God.
That's funny.
Now what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Why do you cry? What is that all about, huh? Why do you cry?
Then you'll leave me.
Why do you cry? Huh? You think I'm going to hurt you? No. I wouldn't hurt you. I would never hurt a puppy. No. You're precious. You're precious. Oh, now this one's deciding to something with Eugene. Now go get Sparky. Get Sparky. Sparky wandered away.
I think he'd, oh, sorry, honey. I think he'd eventually get used to them.
He's like, he's like, okay, there's 5 of them all around me.
Right?
What am I doing? Where are these things coming from? You just keep going back in your cage. See, that's what Sparky does. Sparky goes in his cage all the time.
Oh.
He is so much, she is so much like Sparky. It's unbelievable.
Yeah. Silly girl, you gotta go out that way. Silly girl. Did you forget which way to come out? He wants to smell. He wants to smell her.
Yeah, he's like,
Yeah. He's smelling in the air. Oh, his chin.
be nice. Be nice.
I'm gonna smell her. Let me see that baby. Yeah, see? She's not gonna hurt you. Yeah. She's not gonna hurt you. Good boy.
Good boy, Sparky.
Yeah.
Good boy.
Yeah.
Good boy.
This is what? Who's a good boy? Let me see.
Okay, yeah, good boy. Good boy, huh? Yeah, that was a good boy. I don't think she could go for a walk with you, no. I don't think she could walk a mile.
Hmm.
Is she chasing you? Is she chasing you? What's she doing? You know, I said to Dave, I said they would be tiny, and he's like, nothing could be smaller than Sparky. It's like, I wish he was here to see. He's like, nothing could. How much do you think they weigh right now?
Oh. I don't, maybe a